Hello. Welcome to another episode of Anxiety Kitchen.
Well, Lynn, by the way, scoot your butt.
Hi. Today we are going to be making, I say we're on this together. It's you and me, bud. Lad, lady, hun. Bless your heart. Today we're going to be making ginger cookies. This is actually a request from my lady. She has a coworker that's going through chemo right now, and tasked me with finding a post-chemo treat, which apparently super common is like ginger snaps or ginger cookies, because ginger is good for, you know, like nausea and all that fun stuff. Not fun stuff. So we're making ginger cookies, and instead of using powdered ginger, I'm actually going to use real ginger. Usually called, like in the store, it's ginger root, but it's not actually a root. What is the actual name? It's like a, I don't remember. Learning stuff with Shelly. I can tell you what it's not. It's not a root. Which I don't know, maybe when I'm editing this I can put like right here, or maybe like down here somewhere. Somewhere I will put the name of the word that I cannot think of presently. So I'm gonna grate that in, and if you've never worked with ginger before, you know, it's got the little skin on it. A super easy way to get it off with like less waste is just use the spoon, kind of scrape it off. Probably works better if you've got like a little trash catcher. Otherwise you're just gonna get little pieces of ginger all over the place. And that's okay, you know, it'll just make people hate us. Why is there ginger skins on the floor? What is the dog eating? I don't know. We're just gonna skin the ginger, but not like that. Because that is just not right. What does this look like to you? Looks like a little, I don't know. Don't say wiener. I said don't say wiener. Jeez. Oh, that just squirted in my face. Okay, you know. I guess you could say I had that one coming. So we need 3/4 of a cup of butter. Ooh, go with your friends. Soft butter, warm butter. Put it in a bowl. 1 cup of sugar. Oops. Ring. Whip it. They actually want to see me grate ginger. Fuck it. Oh God, he's a slippery little shit. This is the riveting content that you've all come here for. I was gonna use my mandolin cutter because it has a little grady part on it, but the last time I used that, I sliced the end of my finger off, and I'm not allowed to use that unsupervised anymore. So this is gonna be 2 tablespoons. About to be 2 tablespoons in my goddamn finger. Okay, yeah, no, we gonna need more, because that is 1 poopsicles. Nice and moist. Let's not cut our finger. Ow. I'm good. It's an explosion. Don't quit your day job. Okay, now I need some molasses. Power of a cup, which I always thought would taste a lot better than it actually does. Scrape, scrape. Excuse me, sir, are you supposed to look chunky? One, nope. I need 2 1/4 cups of flour. Like with most things, you assemble your wet ingredients separate from your dry ingredients, because #science. Spoon of salt. It's important to spill some salt all over the place. Very important. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And we'll give it a stir. Better. Okay. Gonna add about half. It's important to make sure that you it's important to make sure you miss the bowl a little. It's also important that you make sure that you're not trying to lock it and you turn it on by accident. Dude, this smells so fucking good. It's funny though, because it looks all hairy. It's just the ginger, I swear-y. I really want there to be like a behind the scenes. If I'm ever just like, for once not filming when I'm alone. It should be super awkward. Like, it's really hard for me when I'm watching my videos well, when I'm editing, to watch other people watching my videos, because it kind of makes me want to vomit a little bit. I'm like, look, don't look at me. I mean, watch the video, but don't look at me. Balls, 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 balls. All right, 15 more mayonnaise. Here's one of the first ones. Now look at them cookies. Roll that beautiful bean footage. That is not in focus. There we go. It's in focus. These are almost done, so waiting to go do some yoga. Because here at Anxiety Kitchen, we have learned some coping mechanisms, and for the past few days, doing yoga at like 6:45 to 7 o'clock at night. Pretty fucking awesome. Hello.
We're twins.
How are you today?
How are you today?
I don't want to be an owl. Testing 1, 2, 12. I probably shouldn't have started the dishwasher. These cookies are fucking rocking. I'm gonna go do yoga now. Oh look, cookies. Tune in next week for, I don't even fucking know. I don't know, maybe I'll make pie. Ooh, I should make pie. Let's end on like a not sad note, because, you know, cookies are the cure for everything, unless it's diabetes. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want the recipe, it's gonna be down in the description. And have an awesome day, my dudes.